Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Market Updates, the last day of the month, September. Okay. Because of that, tomorrow we'll do a monthly update also. You can see how the monthly bar would affect our trades on the day bar. Okay. Though that's for tomorrow, right? Today we're going to look at the day bar. Okay, it's a bit late these updates because uh, I'm actually was watching the presidential debate in the U.S. Right, it's important because it affects the market. So just to know what it's all about. And true enough, after that the market moved. Right. So yeah. Before we start, I mean, if you're excited about today, right? Uh, Please write down excited right in the chat before we continue to the analysis. Great, thank you, Eric, and thank you, Catherine. So, right, uh, okay. First thing, as a reminder on psychology again before we start. Uh, one distinction that I remember when I did my exercise, my jog running this morning was about backing off, right? I keep repeating that you need to learn how to back off from the market when you're not uh, at your optimum level psychologically. Another thing that this is connected to, right, backing off is that when you have the ability to get yourself off the screen, right, off trading, when you detect something is not right with you, is a signal of maturity in your trading, right? Sometimes you cannot stop it, right? You try to will your way using your uh, willpower, right? But it didn't work, and then you need to question yourself: are you here to do trading, right? To make money consistently, or are you in love with the action? Okay, that's two different things, right? If you can back off, right? I mean, you train yourself to back off from uh, situation that you're not comfortable with, right? Psychologically, right? You suddenly you just want to get back at the market. You want to chase the market, and then it's hard for you to back off from that, right? You start to question: are you in love with the action instead of doing trading for making consistent profit, or just you're in the market just for the action. So question yourself that, and then if you know that you might be interested in the action more, right, than actually doing a, a valid trade, right, based on the rule, then you need to review again, right? Go back to why you trade, right? Or I mean, especially at this time when during the pandemic, everyone is doing work from home, and then they cannot go out as often as before, right? And then they miss the excitement, right? Meeting with people, conversing, and then they're trying to uh, uh, bring that excitement. I mean, trying to have that excitement from the market. So do not do that. I mean, you need to always question yourself, right? Find other things to replace that excitement, right? I don't know. It's your. I mean, watch a movie, right? Netflix, or outside your trading hour. I mean, or play your games, right? Or call a friend. I mean, uh, satisfy this. I mean, uh, find other replacement for the excitement that you miss during this situation, right? But do not find those excitement from the market action. Okay, just want to remind you because it's important nowadays. It's become harder to pull yourself from the screen uh, because most people don't have other thing to do, right? That's why the Robinhood platform in the US uh, have a uh, uh, big new retail investor because they're trying to find excitement in the market. So have that question, right? Every time you keep on trading while you're not at your optimum level psychologically. Okay, just a quick reminder. Uh, then let's go to the chart. Okay, they're not, I mean, the market had moved yesterday, right? So I've checked quickly earlier, not so much setups today, but let's just look together, right? Okay, here we go. Uh, okay, can you see my chart and my pointers? Okay, great. Thank you. So we begin with Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD yesterday, right? It's probably a reversal, right, following the other US dollar correlated, right? The US dollar getting weaker. You have more clear signal on other market. For example, GBP USD give you a clean harmonic there on the weekly, right? That's why it reversed first. I said that the other was, I mean, were lagging, might reverse yesterday, right? And it did, but though the problem with Euro USD didn't give us candle 8. So you go to lower time frame, right? You know that this might move, right? But didn't give you a proper candle 8. You go to lower time frame, and then you find bullish trade there. Okay, um, right. I mean, GBP USD, we already have profit there, right? Exit our first target. Okay, right. And even yesterday, trying to reach the target again, right? And then you can decide whether you exit or not yesterday. Euro yen, right? We mentioned this. I mean, give you two thumbs up. I mean, it's still here. You see I mean, we took this hammer, okay, and gave us like 70 points yesterday. Okay, 70 points or more even, right? 80 points. Okay, yeah, I mean, effectively about 70 points. I mean, this is your first target, right? So we get profit there. Okay, no signal here on GBP yen yesterday already moved, right? From last week, right? We traded this, right? And then we got our profit to this super touch line. Okay, just go quickly because no signal for today. Okay, on this currencies, right? We're waiting for today's market actually, right? Every week it's touching that super touch, and then whether it gives us 2 SEF, okay, for continuation of the weekly bearish move. Okay, so we wait for today, and then US dollar yen, right? I mean, we mentioned we look at this yesterday, and then this is the trade that we keep, right? Because keep doing uh, harmonic, right? M harmonic, and then you took this trade, okay, and then keep going up, right? 80 points or so. Okay, and then we do this one, right? Your rest is strong and took this trade. Actually, this is a valid signal, but go defensive, right? Only one thumbs. Um, and then it just went down, right? Didn't look back. It gives you 50 points, right? To the one of the exit, right? Pivot there. And then US dollar, sorry, US dollar Canadian, okay? Because it's a harmonic here, right? Touching super touch, right? Then we going to take a reversal trade, right, from this bar, but didn't get triggered. Okay, didn't get triggered yesterday. Keep doing sideways, right? We'll see to this market. Okay, that that debate actually changes things, right? The market looks to be reversing some of them, and this one looks to be uh, doing a continuation, right? Though it's not from the super touch, so we don't trade this. Okay, we don't trade this, so we skip that. No signal here. Okay, no signal here for today. Oh, yesterday, yes, I mean, it's a week. That's why only one thumb. Because a week morning star, right? And then you get like 40, 50 points here, right? Profit, still a profit. So 40 points, sorry, 50 points, and then the 70 points on this. Okay, so about 100 points move on those three market. Okay, no signal again, right? I think this is a recommendation also. Sorry. So that's a recommendation also, but one thumb. So take this bar, right? And then harmonic appearing. Okay, this is your first target cluster. So you can exit that, but um, not too many points here, only 20, 30 points. So that's still a profit. Euro GBP, right? We also to take this one because harmonic forming and then a gap, right? Most likely it's going to go back and then got triggered, right? Today we're still on the trade. Okay, no signal here, also no signal here, right? This might be continuation, but we don't trade those that, oh, this is week one, continuation from this bullish bar. Oh, this is higher sync, sorry. So it's a higher sync trade. Yesterday, sorry, yesterday gave us two SEF, but this is weaker, right? Oh, yesterday this one. Yeah, two SEF, week one. Uh, Harmonic already reverse and then now it's bullish. Okay, uh, two SEF here, right? Continuation on the weekly. So this could be continuation also, right? Higher sync, market reverse a bit, right, on the day bar and then bounce off pivot. So this could be a continuation trade to SEF, remember. But we don't, because this is less powerful compared to those that bounce off super touch. So be extra uh, careful with this one. Okay, you can trade this. Okay, though play defensive. Okay, your AUD. Okay, that's your recommendation. Oh, we traded this yesterday and give us profit there. Okay, because of 3 SCF here, right? Uh, right. So this is the one that I see that might give you a good trade. So let's check the harmonic. Okay, we see, yeah, that is engulfing, right? Candle 8 pivot. Okay, candle 8 and pivot. Let's see if it gives us cluster. Okay, because the weekly, why? Because the weekly is giving us a bounce, right? Super touch line there, right? It looks like it bounced. So let's see whether this gives us a swing, right? Based on another SEF. So let's check. Okay, retracement extension from here to there. Okay, you already have two SEF. Now we need another one for this trade to be valid. Okay, no projection because this is not lower. Wait, oh, this is lower. So let's check projection from here. Okay, there. Right, there's a cluster there. Okay, let's see if another retracement extension from anchor, this in the middle anchor, right? Whenever you see, yeah, it makes it a bit stronger there, right? Even without that, let's look at the next one, this one. Yeah, it's even stronger here, right? So you try to feel all the energy, every peak, right? Any peak there, temporary retracement there can act as your anchor, right? Find your energy to get your Fibonacci cluster. So you have here, right, uh, a cluster where it cross up and close and then cross down and close. So that's a valid cluster. So three SEF, okay. Though I would play this defensively because it's already at S1. Okay, it might reset after uh, a new month, right? A new month it might reset, but currently it's at S1, so you would want to be defensive on this one. Okay, 3 SEF. So that's minimum. Then you decide whether you go defensive based on the other nuances of the market. Okay, so GBP Canadian, no signal here, harmonic forming, but no candle 8. Okay, this is also no candle 8. Actually, we traded this, right? Because, see, oh, this is actually a recommendation also because we're waiting for, oh, not this one. Yeah, but this is a trade yesterday, a weak one. Right, gives you IT points because of this uh, HBR. Okay, HBR only two signals, right? Oh no no, this is not a candle 8. Yeah, that's why I didn't put a thumb there. Not candle 8. So whenever the market doesn't give you a candle 8, you go for a lower time frame. Okay, find 4 hour or 1 hour trade. Right, yesterday. So okay, two sets again. No candle 8 here. No. Oh, we recommend this yesterday, but we a defensive, right? And then harmonic appearing again after it got triggered, right? This bar, I take the long bar, got triggered. You should go earlier to 0. Right? We have a chance 94.04. Yeah, we got a chance actually after 10 points. So still sideways. You're still in the trade. It hasn't got stop you out. Okay, we'll wait. What happened with this? Uh, with this market? No candle 8 here. No candle 8 here. So we skip that. Yeah, this is our recommendation also to take this bar right yesterday and make profit. Okay, 70 points, right? 60, 70 points. Okay, 2 thumbs. So yeah, no, we didn't trade this other. Oh, this one we did, right? Play defensive. So this bar, right, gives you a bit and then exit quickly, right? Your first target, but only small. Oh, we take this one, right? Last week's bar because it hasn't got triggered yesterday, right? It came down again. So like 20, 30 points profit there. And this one gives us, right, 70 points again. Okay, if you concentrate only on the two terms earlier on the earlier sets, then you're good for 70 points, 30 to 70 points profit, right? And then you check. Uh, Today there's only few recommendation, but a profit for you yesterday, and then you uh, okay. Now it's the time for you to do small bites. Okay, why? Because the market becomes more volatile. I mean, with the U.S. presidential election uh, going to the next phase, the debate, I mean, a lot of noise there, right? A lot of noise from the political front. So the market will be more erratic, right? It's better for you to just uh, when you see a profit, right? Your immediate target, right? You exit at your immediate target for now until things settles down, and uh, go for the intraday trade. Okay, intraday trade, 4 hour or 1 hour continuation. Um, yeah, if you go to the advanced class, you have more options actually. Sorry, more choices, but find the 4 hour trades. Okay, and then for the day bar, look for immediate exit for now, right? Um, and then we see how this transpires. At least I think until the election day in November. So we're going to see a whole month of volatility next month. Okay, there are dates that I want you to be uh, mindful of. I'll announce to you probably tomorrow, right? The dates that you need to be careful of, and see whether there is opportunity there. Okay. Um, right. I mean that's it for currencies. Okay. Uh, keep. I mean I'm keep giving you this. I mean choices for you to for a setup. And every day we see profit here. Okay. Um, just pick one or two. Not. I mean, like yesterday we have like 6 recommendation with only 2 of them give you higher success rate, right? With a better variance. So you concentrate on those 2 and give you profit, right? And then keep. I mean, you want to learn more, keep looking at this video. I mean, attend uh, the live session, right? And or see the YouTube video, because I give you tips on how to do this on your own, right? And then you get the recommendation also. Okay, so this is the currencies. Let's look at the Dow. Okay, what happened to Dow? It already reversed on weekly. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it meets the minimum reversal. Okay, minimum reversal of 38%. Okay, it did. Okay, it did. That's from the highest point, even from from A, right? A to C, and then you get 38%. But if you XABC from, oh, sorry, A to D, and then you get, let me just zoom in. Okay, so XABCD, right? A to D, you get 38%. Okay, and then you check from C to D, right? Right, this is not the right. There. C to D is, so that's 62% already. Okay, so that market already reverse minimum. Okay, it can go further, yes, but the minimum has already met. So there is a chance that the market might, I mean, the market can reverse at this point, right? It can reverse because the officially the reversal had completed, right? The minimum reversal. So on that point, okay, let's look at the day bar. Okay, so day bar. Uh, Usually, right after it touches super touch, right, there will be a contraction period where it spends a bit more time there, right? And I say this is still bullish. I mean, you would want to trade the bullish trade continuation because, oh, this is a deeper tip on harmonics. Okay, when you're familiar with harmonics pattern, right, that the D reversal will happen, right? It's not only whether that happens, it's only when it's going to happen, right? And then you have the cluster to help you pinpoint where it's going to reverse. When you see a market that keep doing this, right, indices, right, and then go, and then some currencies, you are going to start to expect, to forecast or anticipate a harmonic forming, right? That would be another signal. Okay, again, no 100%. Use that information, your knowledge of harmonic, as one input in your variance that the market might be forming a harmonic. So that's the uh, behavior of the Dow, right? The same thing here, X, A, B, C, D, right? Uh, whenever it reaches super task, right, it's going to do a contraction, right, and then forming a harmonic, right? The same thing when it's going down, right? It's contraction here, right, and forming a harmonic, right? The same thing here. I was expecting that, right, to go down a bit and form a harmonic, right? So you expect this kind of movement, right, for your intraday trade purpose, right, and then for your day bar purpose also. Trade the continuation later, uh, and then wait again for harmonic reversal. Okay, that's uh, one of the secret actually of harmonic. When you get more advanced, and then you start to pick those signals. So now, yeah, we're waiting for whether this is going to uh, go up again. Okay, though the presidential debate changes all that. So we see here, right? So there will be more volatility, right? It suddenly spiked down, right, after the debate finished. So spike down. So we see more volatility here actually trigger down the market, right? And then we'll see on this area today, right? No signal, okay, from the day bar. You, I mean, the intraday though is fantastic, right, to trade. Again, more volatility, bigger bar, right? You need to be comfortable with bigger bar. If you're not, go to even lower time frame, okay, and again small bites, okay. Yes, the market might, like yesterday, okay, yesterday, like the 3 minutes trade, uh the target was about almost 200 points, right? And then we go to 120, and then the market a bit hesitates, and then you can decide to exit, right? And then onto CCR, and then you get your 120 points, right? And then just be grateful for that, and then the market continues to go down, actually gives you the 200 points. And you should not, again, the psychology part, you should not SOMO that, right? Sadness of missing out. Go back to gratitude, right? GOMO. Okay. You do not want that to dwell on the thing that you miss, right? Why? Because the market will keep giving you more opportunities, right? You want to get ready for the next one and do not want to dwell on the negativity or missing a trade, right? I mean, how can you be going into SOMO where you made 120 points profit, right? So that's the mindset that you need to adopt. Okay, this is what I think I'm proud of my approach. Why? Um, you not only can make money from the market consistently, right? You also have a peace of mind, right? You have a peace of mind, and then you improve yourself, right? The self-care that goes with this, my approach of trading, the self-care is an integral part of the trading. So you cannot separate that and just go for the technical, the charting, right? The technique, how to get in, how to get out, and then just leave the psychology out. No, I mean it's one. So all what happens in the market, you should see it on that perspective, right? And then you made your profit. You don't mind about the market keep going further, right? You and then you go to sleep, and then you, I mean, the next day will be more prepared for uh, opportunities, right? For more opportunities that the market is giving you. Okay, again, going to psychology. Then we look at our goal, okay, our goal trade. So if you took this trade, right, it hasn't stopped you out, okay, gave you 200 points yesterday. Okay, if you keep watching these updates, right, and then you get that trade, 200 points, right, it even gives you like almost 500 points if you listen to uh I mean, go lower time frame. I mean, I haven't given you the technique yet on the lower time frame, but I remind you that you should try to go to 4 hour, right? When the market is, I mean, play defensive, and then the market is going down again, right? Like yes, the 2 days ago, right? And then trade the 4 hour, which is this one. Okay, so no, I mean, exit the zero. Sorry, my stop out zero, right? Play defensive because we see harmonic forming, and then you place your, okay, let's just go back to the bar. So you enter right here, right? And then harmonic forming, and then place to quickly to zero, and then you get stop out. I think you get stop out zero, right? And then you place your order again, right? And then you write the 200 points. Okay, 4 hour also gives you SCF here. Wait, is that an SCF? No, actually. Okay, for to harmonic, you were given harmonic there, right? Even smaller one, you go to even lower time frame. Okay, uh, yeah, you'll get that next month. Yeah, no, no, at the end of the month, the gold trade. So you go to lower time frame. Actually, a specific timing, you can take the 15 minutes trade. Okay, 15 minutes. Actually, there is a harmonic on 15 minutes also, so you can trade that bullish. Okay, and then get more points. I think it was like something, yeah, almost, yeah, 400 points. But they were is fantastic already, right? Harmonic forming again. Okay, you can decide to exit and then find again lower time frame, higher sync, right? Go for hour or 1 hour where it bounces off uh, super tons, right? You learn that on foundation masterclass. Okay, I think that's it for today. That's pretty quickly, like half an hour with a lot of psychology mentioned. Any question on these updates? Okay, if no question, then that's it. Again, the market is going to be more volatile, right? Go lower time frame if you can, and small bites. Okay, small bites. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.